quick reading for November the 15th to November the 16th, water signs. Someone is actually walking away. But this move is not actually cutting the connection. Pero parang ito yung, sige, lalayo ako, didistansya ako, iiwan muna kita, mananahimik muna ako for the sake of peace, for the sake of harmony, at hindi yun nangangahulugang magka-separate na tayo, like literal, no? Parang sinasabi dito is more of, kaya ako mananahimik is for you to have your own time, makapag-isip, makapag-reflect, no? And hindi rin madali, no? Yung pag-separate dito, whether this is you or your person. You can switch the energies naman, ha? What I am reading is the dynamic, eh. Nandito pa rin naman yung love. Kaso, parang sinasabi dito, I am doing this para maibalik natin, no? Yung pagiging maayos. Kasi parang lately, medyo magulo na. Lately, parang tumitindi yung yung challenges, tumitindi yung hindi pagkakaintindihan. Yeah. So, yeah, parang sinasabi dito, separate muna ako for a little while, no? Mananahimik muna ako for a little while. Pero hindi yun nangangahulugan na we're done. This is your quick reading, water signs, November the 15th to 16th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling